Want to know the secret to better engineering leadership? It's simpler than you think. In modern engineering, an engineering manager's role extends far beyond technical expertise. The landscape now demands a unique blend of business acumen, communication, and strategic thinking. Your value isn't just in what you know, but in the system you create for your team to succeed. Here's how it actually works. First, your most powerful tool can be admitting ignorance. Saying, "I don't understand," isn't a sign of weakness. It's an invitation for your team to teach, to challenge assumptions, and to explore solutions collaboratively. Imagine you're in a strategic session and you admit you don't fully grasp the architectural choices being discussed. This single act of vulnerability gives your team permission to question things, prompting them to explore alternatives and surface hidden risks that could have derailed the entire project down the line. It creates psychological safety. Second, product viability is just as crucial, if not more so, than technical perfection. An elegant piece of code that solves a non-existent problem is a waste of talent and time. True leadership involves developing your business acumen to ensure every engineering effort is directly tied to a market need and a business objective. You must be the bridge that connects technical feasibility with what customers will actually value and use. Third, the trio of product, design, and engineering must operate as a single unified force. When these functions work in silos, you get friction, miscommunication, and a disjointed final product. Your job is to break down those walls. Foster a culture of shared ownership, where a designer understands technical constraints and an engineer is deeply invested in the user experience. True innovation happens at the intersection of these disciplines, not within their isolated boundaries. Ultimately, leadership in engineering is about systems thinking. It's about facilitating collaborative innovation, not just being the most technically excellent person in the room. Try one of these approaches with your team this week. See what changes. Save this for later.